Thank you for joining us here today on the 4 o'clock news. It would seem that an earthquake hit California just a couple days ago, and we're reporting it here on the news today. Now, what you're seeing is a live video of some of the catastrophic damage that the earthquake has done. We're still trying to clean up the damage, rescue some people if we can. As you can see in this disturbing video, the shampoo and conditioner have fallen off the shelves. It's some critical damage. We're still mourning for the shampoo and conditioner. Earthquake survivor said that he never wants to experience something like this again. Southern California's 5.4 earthquake was very damaging. And here at the news studio, we just received confirmation that they want us to go on for 3 hours until Oprah cuts us off. And once we have the 3-hour mark, we will continue showing you this live video of the catastrophic damage, shampoo and conditioner, and we mourn for those who were lost. What hair will not be cleaned, and all of the survivors. We pray that you'll never have to experience something like that again. This is Josh McClendon, 4 o'clock news.